In this video, I am going to explain important topic, that is zero order reaction and its half cell from chemical kinetics chapter. In this zero order reactions are those reactions in which rate of the reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. In this जो rate है, in this rate is directly proportional to, for example, we have a reaction that reactant, suppose a reaction that is reactant will be changed into product here, and rate is directly proportional to zeroic power of the concentration of the reactant, because in zero order reaction rate does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. In this case, if we remove this proportionality constant equals to K is an rate constant, and we get from here that is R naught and 0 here. And if R naught, concentration of R naught is 0, किसी की भी पावर 0 होती है, उसकी वैल्यू किसके बराबर होगी? 1 के बराबर. फ्रॉम हेयर वट वी विल गेट दैट R इज इक्वल्स टू K. तो यहां से R जो है वो किसके बराबर होगा? K के बराबर होगा. नाउ वी नो दैट रेट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस डी कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ R अपॉन में हम क्या लेते हैं यहाँ पे? दैट इज dt. माइनस साइन इज इंडिकेट that is decrease in concentration of reactant. जब भी concentration में decrease होगा तो उसके लिए हम क्या लगाते हैं? माइनस साइन. From both this equation, R is equals to K here and R is equals to minus dr and dt. From both this equation, what we will get that K, that minus dr, that minus dr upon में dt, that is equals to K here. Now if we multiplying both side by negative, what we will get? This will become plus and this will become negative here. Now taking this dt here, what we will get? That is dr here is equals to minus K and dt here. Now इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड, जब भी हम इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं दोनों साइड तो कांस्टेंट का इंटीग्रेशन एज इट इज हम लिखते हैं, यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन होगा. इंटीग्रेशन और डिफरेंशिएशन जब भी साथ में दिया हो तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम हेयर वट वी विल गेट, दैट इज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ R इक्वल्स टू माइनस K एंड T. और जब भी हम इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? I क्या है? दैट इज इंटीग्रल कांस्टेंट फ्रॉम हेयर. इफ नाउ इफ T इज 0, अगर टाइम 0 रहे और कंसंट्रेशन जो है वो किसके बराबर हो जाए? R नॉट इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन के बराबर हो जाए. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ T एंड R इन दिस इक्वेशन, when we putting the value we will get that is R naught equals to minus K into में 0 प्लस में यहाँ से हमें क्या मिलेगा? I. Now this R naught from here we will get 0 and R naught is equals to I here. Now putting this I, one second, now putting this I here, अब हम जो ये I की वैल्यू है इसको क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. If we putting this value here, we will get that concentration of R equals to minus KT प्लस में हमें क्या मिलेगा यहाँ से? that is R naught. This equation is similar that y equals to mx plus में c. From here this is equation for a straight line graph. We will get a straight line graph from here, that this is a straight line graph that we will get from here. On the y axis, this is x axis, this is y axis. On y axis there is rate of the reaction and on the x axis there is time. For this we will get this graph. we will get a negative slope. From here, this is minus k. Minus k is slope here. Minus k is slope here. And this value is intercept, that is equals to r naught. Now, that the equation, we rearranging this equation. If we rearranging this equation, that kt equals to r naught concentration of initial minus में r here. Now taking this time here, and k is equals to concentration of r minus में r here and divided by t here. This is the rate constant for the zero order reaction. And we know that in the zero order reaction, rate जो है does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant के ऊपर depend नहीं करता. If we are draw a graph between the rate and concentration of reactant, we will get a straight line graph from here, because in zero order reaction, rate does not depend upon the concentration of the reactant. Concentration of reactant के ऊपर depend नहीं करते हैं, so we will get a straight line graph from here. Now, half-life for zero order. Half-life is nothing but it is the time at which concentration of reactant is reduced to half of the initial concentration. Means from this equation, if जो rate है, that is final rate, means जो R है, it will become half of the initial concentration of the reactant का क्या हो जाए, half हो जाए, and T will become half time. Okay, now putting this value here, what we will get from here, that k equals to r naught minus r naught by 2 and divided by t half from here. From this, when we solving this, we will get 2, and this is 2 r naught here and minus r naught from this and divided by t half from here. This will become r naught, and this is 2, and t half is equals to rate constant here. Now rearranging this equation, we will get that t half will be equals to initial concentration divided by 2k from here. When we plot the graph between the t half and the rate, we will get a positive slope from here, and this slope is equals to 1 by 2k here. So overall, this is the graph between the t half and r naught. We will get a straight line graph from here, in which slope is equals to 1 by 2k. This is all about zero order reaction and its half cell. And all the graphs are important. Rate for zero order, rate does not depend upon the concentration, so we get a parallel line from here. There will no change. From this equation we get this graph, in which the slope is negative here, that is equals to minus k here. For half-life time period, we get a positive slope and straight line graph, that is in which slope is equals to 1 by 2k.